Step one before sharpening is to take your stone, remove it from the base. What we're going to do is soak it in water. So we're going to take this, submerge it in water. And as you can see, all the bubbles are coming out. It's going to take 5 to 10 minutes before the stone is fully soaked with water. And what that water is going to do is going to lubricate as we're sharpening the knife. So when the bubbles stop, or somewhere around 5 minutes, 10 minutes or so, then we can begin sharpening. As you can see, the bubbles have stopped emerging from the stone, and our stone's ready for sharpening. So we're going to load our stone back into our base. And we're going to start with the 1000 grit side, which is the coarse side. So before we're going to start here. We're going to push it through the stone. Do it again. Okay. And we're going to alternate sides. And as you get good at this, you can do this very quickly. I like to do about 3 strokes per side. Some people do 1. Some people do many more. I recommend 3. Now, as we're sharpening, we can see that we're working up almost like a mud. And we can see that that's the stone working off and the knife, the actual metal on the knife. You can see gray here. That's the metal on the knife working away on the stone. We want to make sure we keep the stone wet. Add a little water to it, keep it wet, and keep sharpening. Periodically, you can check your blade, see if you're getting sharp. Once you feel that you've achieved a sharp edge with that coarse side of the stone, what we're going to do is we're going to flip the stone over. Now we're going to put the 6000 grit side up. We're going to continue to do the same thing as we did on the coarse side. Now, as you get to the very end where you think your knife is just about sharp, you're going to rotate this every other pass to get that razor sharp edge. Now, once you feel that you've achieved a sharp blade, one simple test, this is very simple, is take a piece of paper, and when you can slice a piece of paper that easy, you know you have a very sharp edge.